Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track TV shows and movies across streaming services with just one app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track some TV shows or movies across the streaming service with one good app, then you can simply download the apps like Reelgood or TV Time. So once you download these kind of apps, you can have various features of tracking app. It contains a unified watch list, where to watch, a notification, recommendations, and content discovery. So some popular apps are Reelgood, TV Time, Google TV, or Just Watch. So if you're going to download these streaming applications, then you can have a checklist of every applications and streaming sites across your streaming websites or services. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.